Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's almost 30 degrees out here. It's pretty cold. It's winter time. So if you want to run your mini crawlers inside, we've got a solution for you. We built a little DIY course inside. So stay tuned. We're going to check that out. Make sure you're subscribed if you guys like content like this. Every week we're posting new RC videos. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll show you inside. Here we just have our guest bedroom downstairs in the basement. So this is kind of our blank canvas. We weren't expecting any guests the rest of the winter. So I have a few tables laying around in the garage. I use those as the foundation. And then I had this green indoor-outdoor carpeting I used to kind of simulate the terrain grass area. So just kind of spread that out. And the whole point of this is just to kind of show you, with just random things that you have around your house, you can build a course. So tables, pillows. Here I'm just using a cardboard box, cutting out a little tunnel way. And then here I'm just duct taping some cardboard from some wrapping paper from Christmas. And we're going to use that as a little bridge. And again, just duct tape works wonders. I used a golf mat as a steep incline.
What? This is crazy.
Here we're mounting with some duct tape the base for the longer bridge that we made. And like I said, just using things around your house. We've got some trees from our Christmas village, pieces of cardboard, duct tape, pillows, towels. And I've got these little 1/24 scale cones I'm going to set out too. I'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to pick some of these up. These are pretty cool, indoors or outdoors, pretty scale looking. So we got this easy liner. We're going to cut this, put strips up here to give a little bit more traction because it's a little too steep for the trucks to go up that cardboard. So here I'm just using hobby glue, running it up and down the cardboard, and then I'll apply the liner to it. Now we're pretty much done. Now it's time to drive and test out the course.
Oh!
Well, if you guys made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. That's pretty much it. As you can see, it's pretty easy to make your own course at home. Just get creative, improvise. You'd be amazed at what these little crawlers are able to crawl over. So just have fun with it. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.
No way. No.
Oh.
Sorry, right? Oh. Oh.